Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to see what list you are on Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to see what list you are on Twitter app. We'll start by opening up your Twitter app. So once you open up your Twitter app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left-hand corner where you're going to see the 3 bars. So tap on those 3 bars on the upper left-hand corner. Once you arrive there, make sure that you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. And make sure that you tap on where it says list right there, list. So tap there. Then just scroll down until it says your list. And those are the lists that you're involved right there. And that's how you see what list you're on Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.